Hey everyone, it's Natalie on the Safe Harbor team again. I just wanted to show you all of the features in the app, and I was going to show you how to download and sign up. However, it looks like there's a glitch right now where if you are trying to sign up, it keeps giving error codes. Because I already downloaded it, I can at least go through and show you what the app has. So when you open it up, you will see this. And as an agent, you should actually be getting notifications every time someone logs in on Kelle, as you can see here. And all right, so let's start with search. You could search by location. Let's zoom in. Let's put Shaker Heights. All right. So now it's going to take us over here to the area we're looking in, and it'll pull up all of the homes for sale. It's pretty slow right now, probably because so many people are using it and they might be doing some maintenance or something. I don't know. But you'll see all of these here, and the little ones with the green calendar are ones with open houses. You can see here it says open Sunday. So this is all the information that you can see. It has a little Keller mortgage button here that you could click and go to. Let's see. All right, so then it comes up with this, and I'm pretty sure it'll actually pre-approve you through here. So, and then it has also a home insurance one. All right, let's scroll down. I believe this is, I want to say this is walkability score or the commute time maybe. All right, so we could actually go up here and, oh, all right, I'm logged out. Okay, so one important thing to notice is that over here, it'll take a while to load, but it'll show that Pete Formica is listed as my agent. And when you search, let's just do current location. Bear with me, guys. It's been really slow today. Okay. Here we go. So all of the homes are going to pop up again, and we can click on it, and then actually when you're looking at a listing on here, you'll be able to hit ask your agent, and from there you can actually send them a message which will go into Command or Kelle. Okay, so let's just click on this one. Say I'm interested. You can save it. You can create a new collection, save it under favorites, save. And of course, you can scroll through all of the pictures up there. You see all the information. You can also search by open house, or you can search by price reductions in the last 7 days. I would really just go through and play around with all of the search filters that they have. So yeah, here you can see that it was saved now. Now I can hit, oh, here we go. So now this has the commute times. And actually you can't see this unless you are signed up and logged in. All right, so ask your agent. And I'm going to put test. Yeah, so you can send a message, submit. And we should be getting a Kelle notification for this, so let's see if that works. Might just take a little while for it to submit. I'm a little bit impatient, so let's see. All right, let's try it again. Ask your agent. Okay, well, I did this before, and I'll show you where to pull this up in command if it doesn't go through this time. And in Kelle, I guess. I'll show you on Kelle on this video. All right. So another cool thing is that you can draw around an area. So say I just want houses right here. And I believe, I don't know, I think usually the ones on the outside disappear, but as I said, it's a little bit slow right now. So, okay, so then you can go to, I'm assuming add a co-buyer or an agent to get started. Okay, I'm guessing that this will be all of your messages back and forth. So then under guide, you can actually edit all of these as well. But it basically guides you through the entire process. So once it says start your search, the buyer can then mark the step as completed. And you should be able to see this as well on your end. Okay, you get the point. So it'll have that little check mark like the get pre-approved one does. If you click get pre-approved, you can get pre-approved through Kelle Mortgage right here, or say I already have financing. Yeah, so you can just kind of scroll through here and look at all of these things, and you can keep up with the whole process. And I'm not sure if actually as an agent you'll be able to go through and mark them off. I think I heard that it was supposed to connect with opportunity, so I don't know, don't quote me on that, but that would be really cool if it does. Same thing with selling. Okay, and then you can find your saved collections over here. I'll do another video once all of these kinks are kind of worked out. It's just, I wanted to get this up for you guys right now while you're all downloading it and just starting to get used to it. So yeah, you can find your collections over here, add a new collection. Okay, so then under you, see now you can see that Pete Formica is designated as my agent. If someone were to just download the app and not use your branded URL, they would have to actually go in here and select an agent. But with the agent selected, you can go look at the agent profile. And this is basically your marketing profile, so make sure you have that set up in command. That'll be a whole nother video that probably Liz will do that one. But yeah, something that's really cool is you could add a co-buyer, which I put my husband on here, but he didn't accept it yet. But as you can see right here, adding your co-buyer lets your agent share updates with both parties involved in the buying or selling process. Co-buyers have access to the same home picks, insights, and guides from your agent. It also makes it easy for you to have discussions and share collections with them. So as you can see, this app has a lot of really cool things. You could also go to share the KW app, go to messages, and this will already come up, and you can refer, well, basically like send the app to other people, and it'll still be branded with your information as an agent. Okay, so now that's about all I can do right now just because it's so slow. Like I said, I'll do another video once it's working a little bit better. But you can go into Kelle. And okay, so here you can add insights. I'm gonna look more into that before I get back to you on that one. But if you go to more notifications, you will see that I logged in here. And actually, okay, so this will pull up. Okay, so you can go to log interaction, which we haven't had any yet, so yeah. And then you can go to view activity history, which view all. All right, so you can see which properties I was looking at. You can see before over here, the one on top where it says test, that was a message that I sent. Yeah, here are a few more that I sent earlier, other properties I was looking at. And I'm guessing these unknown ones are like logins, and I don't know what else was lost in here. But it gives you a little bit more information when you actually look at it through command, and I'm sure they're only going to improve this as time goes on. Yeah, so I hope this at least helps for tonight. Like I said, I'll do another video when it's running a little bit more smoothly, and that should be more helpful to you. All right, thanks for watching.